Meaning of infiltrate.
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 Infiltrate. The word infiltrate refers to the act of secretly gaining access to or entering a place or organization without being detected. It is often associated with covert or undercover operations, where the infiltrator seeks to gather information or carry out a mission using deception or stealth. Infiltration can have both positive and negative outcomes. For example, infiltrating a criminal organization could lead to the arrest and conviction of its members, while infiltrating a political movement could lead to the exposure and disruption of its activities. Ultimately, the success of infiltration depends on the ability of the infiltrator to remain undetected and achieve their objective.